Ego. Such a small word, yet it holds immense power over our lives. It is the driving force behind our actions, our decisions, and our relationships. It can be both a blessing and a curse, depending on how we choose to wield it. For some, ego is a source of confidence and self-assurance. It pushes them to strive for greatness, to never settle for mediocrity. It fuels their ambition and propels them towards success. They walk with their heads held high, unafraid to take risks and chase their dreams. Ego gives them the courage to believe in themselves, to trust in their abilities, and to conquer any obstacle that stands in their way. But for others, ego is a destructive force. It blinds them to their own faults and shortcomings, leading them to believe they are infallible. It creates a false sense of superiority, causing them to look down on others and treat them with disrespect. Their ego becomes a barrier to meaningful relationships as they struggle to connect with others on a deeper level. It isolates them, leaving them trapped in a cycle of loneliness and self-absorption. The ego can also be a source of conflict. When two egos clash, it can lead to resentment, anger, and hostility. Each party becomes so consumed with protecting their own pride that they lose sight of finding a resolution. Ego prevents them from seeing the bigger picture and from understanding the perspective of the other person. It creates a divide that can be difficult to bridge, causing irreparable damage to relationships. The impact of ego in human life is profound. It shapes our identities, influences our behavior, and colors our interactions with others. It can be a powerful motivator, driving us to achieve greatness and reach our full potential. But it can also be a destructive force, leading us down a path of arrogance and isolation. Ultimately, the key lies in finding a balance. We must learn to harness the power of our ego without letting it control us. We must cultivate humility and empathy, recognizing that we are all flawed and imperfect beings. By doing so, we can navigate the complexities of human relationships with grace and compassion and lead a more fulfilling and meaningful life. Thanks for watching.